everybody, welcome back. So this is the first video of the new year. Happy New Year, everybody. I hope you didn't wake up with a terrible hangover. I know I didn't, because I didn't drink. I'm here to make my New Year's resolution. Last year I had the safety police wagging their fingers at me a couple of times. You know, where the hell's your safety glasses? Why aren't you using respirator? Yada, 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 you know. And I appreciate the prodding. But my New Year's resolution this year is to use my PPE here in the shop. And PPE is personal protection equipment. Got some package of 3 safety glasses here. I got some new filters for my respirator. Got some nitrile gloves. And I'm going to do my best to stick to my New Year's resolution and actually wear this stuff. I have been guilty in the past of when I go over and work on the sander, not wearing a respirator or, you know, safety glasses. Once in a while, I'll do some light spraying on a guitar and not wear the respirator. I'm a little lax with that here in the shop. At work, in the shop there, I always wear safety glasses and a face mask if I need one. And I have a lanyard which has my identification tags on it, so I can swipe into the building and get in and out of some of the buildings, and I always take that off. But here at home, you know, I kind of ignore that stuff because there's no one here to yell at me except for you guys. So yeah, that's my resolution this year, focusing a little more on making sure I use my PPE. So like I said, this is the first video of the new year, and the next one will be back to working on guitars again. I still need to do a little touch up on this. I need to file the nut slots just a little bit in that Tusk nut so I can get rid of that G string. It's got a slight buzz in it, and we gotta get rid of that because I want to sell this. I don't have anybody who wants to buy it yet, but let's get it ready, and then I don't know what I'll do. Maybe I'll announce it on Facebook or put it up on Fleabay or, you know, whatever. But yeah, we gotta get that done. I also have another one of those Truth acoustics coming in that I'm gonna have to shave down the bridge, and like the last one, which he's very happy with, by the way. He could not be happier with the way that thing plays, which makes me happy. So, oh, and we're also going to be getting back to the Rhodes V, the cutting board top Rhodes V that I started way last year. So, until next time, you guys, you behave yourself, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.